Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is the preview of my project, so let's get started. So I'm using all these jelly print papers and I'm going to add some tissue paper in this and then some text paper. So right now the problem is my camera got gave me some problems, so I could not record it, and I am adding I added these jelly print and tissue paper. Now I'm going to add this jelly print paper. I don't know, sometimes the camera gives me a problem and it gets stuck, and then I don't know. So anyway, so I'm going to add this tissue paper in this jelly print paper, and then add some other stuff in this tissue paper and things like that. So I'm using gel medium. This is like a part of my women's series. So I'm adding all the jelly print paper in this. Then I'm adding now this stripe tissue paper. Then I'm adding some more on the different areas. So I'm going to let it dry, and then I'm going to use acrylic paint, and then I'm going to blend it. I'm using the same colors of those jelly print paper, and then I'm going to blend it. The I think the paint is not very thick, so I'm going to put first layer and then add the, once it dries up, then add the second layer so that it becomes opaque. So now I'm going to put the second layer because it just takes few minutes to dry, so I'm going to add the second layer and then blend it. Then I'm going to now add some black. um, some black acrylic paint and then blend it. I'm using my finger because it's I don't want it to be um, too transparent. I want it to be a little bit opaque, so I'm using my finger and adding it. Then I'm going to dry this I'm going to make sure everything is dry before going for the next step. Now I'm going to use this stamp, which is like a check stamp. I'm adding that little bit. This is like a stamp. It is more like a grungy stamp. So I'm adding from this. I'm going to post all these in the description box below. Then I'm adding this stamp also in this, like a dotted one, which again my camera got stuck, and then I just finished it and then I saw it. So now I'm using this acrylic paint pen and just marking some. Now I'm going to use different color of acrylic pen, and then I'm going to color the edges little bit. Now I'm using the white pen and I'm going to scribble a little bit. Now I'm going to wait for a few minutes to dry. Then I'm going to add this focal point. So I'm going to use the glue and adhere it. So this is like a very simple project. Like I said, it's a part of women series. Then I'm going to do some shading. I'm going to use the pen and do some shading and then finish this project. So I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you like it, please don't forget to subscribe, click on the like button and leave your comments below. I will see you in my next project. Thanks for watching. Bye.